Let me tell you something true. Feeling overwhelmed is not a sign that something is wrong with you. It's a sign that life has been louder than your ability to process it. If everything around you feels too much, your mind is racing, your emotions are heavy, your heart is tired, you're not breaking down, you're overloaded. And today, I'm going to show you how to stay grounded, even when life refuses to slow down. Can I say something people rarely admit? People don't get overwhelmed because they are weak. They get overwhelmed because they have been strong for too long without a place to rest. Let that sink in. You are not the problem. Your nervous system is tired. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you practical tools to calm your mind, to slow your thoughts, to regulate your nervous system, to simplify your emotional load, and become grounded, even when everything around you is chaotic. This isn't motivation. This is survival. This is emotional clarity, and this is identity protection. I'm Daniel, and I've lived through seasons where my mind felt like a storm I couldn't escape. Life didn't go wrong. It just went loud. Responsibilities stacked up. Messages piled up. My head was full. My heart was heavy. My peace was missing. I wasn't sleeping well. I wasn't thinking clearly. I wasn't myself. And I kept whispering, why am I like this? What's happening to me? But now I know. Overwhelm is not confusion. It's your body begging you to slow down. There was a morning where everything collided within the same hour. One message, one demand, one responsibility I wasn't ready for, one emotional trigger I didn't expect. Nothing dramatic happened, but everything felt heavy. My breath shortened. I couldn't breathe. My thoughts scattered everywhere. My emotions felt loud. And my mind just froze. That moment wasn't weakness. It was a signal. My mind wasn't breaking down. It was just overloaded. So why does overwhelm happen? Number one, your nervous system is overstimulated. Too many tabs open at the same time in your mind. Too many responsibilities. Too much noise that your mind can carry. Number two, you are living in a survival mode. In survival mode, everything feels urgent. Everything feels like a threat. Number three, you are carrying other people's emotional weight. You're holding more than your system can manage. Number four, you haven't paused in a long time. An overwhelmed mind is often just an exhausted one. Let me be honest. You need to learn how to calm inside yourself. That's the shift. So let me share different techniques with you. Technique number one, the 60 seconds reset. When overwhelm hits, step number one, say this gently, I'm safe right now. It tells your brain there's no threat. Step number two, breathe for regulation. 4 seconds inhale, 4 seconds hold, and 6 seconds exhale. Repeat it at least 6 times. This lengthened exhale turns off fight or flight mode. Step number 3, ground through touch. Touch your chair, touch your clothes, your table. This brings your awareness into your body. Step number 4, label the emotion. I'm overwhelmed. Naming cuts the emotional intensity by half. This will reset your whole system. There was a day when my mind outran me. My thoughts were racing. My blood pressure was rising. I felt my emotions stacking on top of each other. And unconsciously, without planning it, I placed my feet on the floor and I just breathed. I took one breath, then another, and somehow my body softened. My mind started slowing down. And for the first time that day, I felt myself return. Sometimes, grounding is not about fixing your situation. It's about calming your system so you can handle the situation. Here is another truth nobody tells you. Overwhelm isn't a sign you are failing. It's a sign that you are human. So technique number 2, the one thing method. Your brain cannot handle life when it believes everything is urgent. Just one thing. This turns chaos into clarity, confusion into direction, and it will turn pressure into progress. Grounded people don't do more. They just do the next step. Let me reframe something for you. You are not overwhelmed because you are incapable. You are overwhelmed because you've been operating alone. Technique number 4, the 5 senses grounding method. This is one of the most powerful trauma-informed grounding tools I'll share with you on this channel. 5 things you can see, name them slowly. 4 things you can touch, feel the texture. 3 things you can hear, even the faintest sounds count. 2 things you can smell, scan the air around you. And 1 thing you can taste, sip water or bite something small. This technique pulls you out of your mental chaos and back into your body. There was a moment in my life where I finally realized something simple but life-changing. I realized I don't need a quiet life to be a grounded person. I only need a quiet mind. And from that day, the noise outside didn't own me anymore. Technique number 5, identity anchoring. Say this: I can handle life even when it's messy. I can breathe through the chaos. I can stay grounded even when I feel overwhelmed. I am steady. I am capable. I am enough. Identity shapes emotion. Emotion shapes regulation. And regulation shapes behavior. This is where real grounding begins. Here is something I want you to remember forever. You don't need life to be peaceful to create peace inside your life. Grounding is an inner skill, not an external condition. If you made it to the end of this episode, that tells me something important. You are not just overwhelmed. You are someone who wants to grow, someone who wants to understand themselves, someone who refuses to give up, and that matters. So stay close. This community is for people learning to stay grounded in chaotic, unpredictable, and messy seasons of their lives. So subscribe, share your journey, and let's walk this path together. I'm Daniel, and you're not doing this alone.